up. Ace at the beach. Alright, you ready for the long one? You ready for it? Here's this little toy. Ready? Look at it. Oh, wasn't that long, but. Drop it. Ace, come here. Leave that dog alone. Come on. Come on. Ready? Can't keep him out of the water. Love swimming. Good boy. Go shark bait. Good boy. Getting tired yet? No? No, you want it? Ready? Good boy, Ace.
I need a longer leash.
Oh, he's got a friend. Looks just like him. Alright, it's being continued.